Hi friends, in this video I will be showing two methods to search and open hidden apps. So in this TV, let me go to apps, then go to your apps. In this TV, I installed Google Chrome browser from Aptoide TV App Store. But the problem is I am not able to see the icon of Chrome browser here in this your apps list. So now the question would be how can open that Chrome browser. So how to open that Chrome browser? So I have a solution. I installed this Sideload Launcher app. So let me open this Sideload Launcher app. See, this app is showing the icon of Chrome browser. So let me try to open. See, I can open it. So using this Sideload Launcher app, I can search and open hidden apps. This is a method 1. There is one more method. Let me go to method 2. Go to settings, then select apps, then select see all apps. Under all apps or under all installed apps, here we can see icon of Chrome browser. Select this app, Chrome, Google Chrome, and here we can see open option. Let me try to select this open option. See, I can open the Chrome browser using that open option. So these are the two methods to search and open hidden apps. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.